Oh, you stay the hell away from me, you stupid seagull.
Oh,
They're not going to leave you alone now, Tracy.
that's fine.
No, it's not. Yeah, you eat that ship, stupid fucker.
Big flames! Seagull, please!
Look what you did.
Yeah! Yeah!
If you come near me, I will skin you and eat you.
You eat my chips, I eat you! Ah! Eat my chips! Out of my face!
Look what you're doing, Tracy. God, stop. Seriously.
I am not ashamed!
Look at how many there are. Look at how many there are.
How many there will be? Just wait until I run out.
Oh, you stay away from me, stupid piece of shit.
Rapidly, I say. Fly, my minions.
It's fine to feed ducks, but seagulls are another.
Nope, no, seagulls are fine. You want one like this? Here you go. Knock them out, get them out.